Good morning children, welcome back to maths class. Today we will learn what is price list, bill. Okay. See here is a provision stores present price list has been written. This is a present price children. Objects are given and price in a kg. Rice 31 rupees, sugar 28, dal 62, wheat 30. So the boy is asking what is written on the board and how it is useful. So dad is telling him, see, whatever we want, according to that the price is written. For example, I want 1 kg rice, then you can see the price written on the board. So what is the cost of 1 kg rice? It is 31 rupees. So it will be easy to see and write. You tell me what is the price of 1 kg sugar. So dad is asking to the child. So he is saying yes, I know. That is 28 rupees. So this board is called as price list. Now here is one bakery children. Every shop displays a price list. It helps us to know the price of the things that we want to buy from that shop. Now look at the price list in the bakery. Yes children, this is the yes children. Here every shop will display a price list. Okay. And whatever we want to buy, we can see the price list and we can buy. Here is a Iyengar's bakery. Price list. Here item spelling is wrong children. Make it ITEM. Correct the spelling. Quantity means how much. Price means what is the cost of it. Bread 12 rupees. Cupcake 5 rupees 50 paise. Chocolate 2 rupees. Veg puff 10 rupees. Egg puff 11 rupees. Now you have to help Preeti to find out the things and its rate. 1 veg puff. What is the cost of veg puff here? 10 rupees. So write 10 rupees. 1 pound bread, it is 12 rupees. So write 12 rupees. 1 chocolate, it is of rupees 2. Now we will go to the textiles. Children, whenever you have gone to shopping, the shopkeeper has handed you a bill or a receipt like this. First, there will be a number, then name and the address of the shop, a receipt number will be there, name of the customer, then details of the items purchased, cost will be there in front of the items, and total amount will be shirt, sari, dress. Cost of each items purchased 250 rupees for shirt, sari 725, dress 375. And total amount which Rajendra should pay is written in the number and the words. At last there is a sign of the shopkeeper. So you understood what is the bill. Now we will see about Imran. Imran went to the shopkeeper shop and purchased one 200 pages book, 200 pages book and 5 pencils. Observe the price list and bill given by the shopkeeper. Check whether it is correct or no. Children, here Imran has purchased only one 200 pages book, 200 pages book and 5 pencils. But the shopkeeper, what he has done, he has added extra pen. Okay, and he has handed to Imran. See here, 200 pages book 30 rupees, 100 pages book 15 rupees. Eraser also 5 rupees. Eraser also he didn't purchase children. Pen also he didn't purchase. Pencil he has purchased 4. So this is the wrong bill which the shopkeeper has given to the Imran. So whenever you go to the shop, you have to check the items as well as the rate of the things whichever you have purchased before you leave the shop. Now see children here, receipt Rajaram Book Mart, Shivamogga, bill number, name is Imran. This same thing, bill is written here children. 200 pages book 1, 30 rupees. 100 pages book 2 he has purchased. So 15 rupees each means 15 twos are 30. Pencil 5 he has purchased, that is of 4 rupees, so it is 20. And they have added the VAT children. Okay, GST tax they have added. So they have made the bill 83 rupees 200 paise. Now 83 rupees and 20 paise. It is not 200 paise, it is 20 paise. They have printed wrong here. So you also have to correct this. Okay, make it 83 rupees 20 paise children. In a verse 83 rupees paise 20 only they have written, and under that sign of the shopkeeper. Now the slip we receive from the shopkeeper containing the details of the purchase is called what children? Bill. I have already given the notes of it. The board displayed in a shop showing the price of the each item is called, see here, showing the price. So this becomes price list. In the question only there is an answer children. Third one, in a receipt the total amount to be paid should be written in a numbers and words. Observe the receipt given below and answer the following questions. Children, this receipt you see and answer this question. This is your homework. Okay, don't write in a fail. Now as the bill tells us, see whether it is correct or not. Once again, name and the address of the shop. Yes, there is a name and the address of the shop. Receipt number and date of the purchase. See here there is a bill number, that means receipt number, and this is the date of the purchase. Okay. Now name of the customer. Here name of the customer. Details of the item purchased. What all he has purchased. It is written here. Cost of each item's purchase. See here. In front of that they have written rate. Rate means cost. Total amount to be paid is written both in numbers and words. So they have written the total amount in the numbers as well as in the words. And lastly there will be a sign of the shopkeeper. So you understood? See here. So you understood what is the receipt, what is the bill, children?